permission to ask a question in this?
Yes.
Many people may not aware of the importance of sustainable development. So how can they contribute in it?
Yes, you're up.
Madam, Madam President, as the question has been arised in the Assembly that some people are not aware of the sustainable development, so how can they contribute in it? For this purpose, only the UN General Meeting is held here to aware the people. If the leaders are aware, they can aware the people of the country, and as they can contribute in the sustainable development individually. That's all.
Sit down. The time for question hour is over. The Assembly will now take a decision on Agenda 2030. I request Chief Secretary first, please conduct the voting session now.
'78th session towards achieving 2030 agenda on sustainable development is going to conclude. Good morning, Madam President. As His Excellency Secretary General, sir, please permit me to conduct and dictate member state for voting on running subjects which have been discussed by honorable member of the House. Please pay attention, each member. You all have one vote. Each decision on such key issues as international peace, security and futuristic development with UN budget are decided by two-third majority and other matters are decided by simple majority. You all are hereby informed under section A/71/442 by rule 82 to 95 of UN Charter through article 18. Please concentrate, Y for yes and for no and A for absent. Thank you.
Chief Secretary second, count the results and declare it in the Assembly.
Good morning, Madam President. As we all know, sustainable development is an organizing principle that aims to meet human development goals while also enabling natural systems to provide necessary natural resources without damaging the environment. The members present here have explained different types of sustainable development according to their experiences. Now I am going to give result on this topic which we have decided through voting. And the result is, we found through voting that out of 195 members present here, 155 members agreed to practice the sustainable development to their respective countries. And the rest, 14 members are disagreeing from these development because their countries are not able to practice it now. And out of 195 members, the number of speakers is more, and that's why this development should be implemented. Thank you, Madam President.
Chief Secretary third, please take this Assembly to an end.
Honorable Secretary General and Madam President, as the voting has concluded and the results have been declared, which shows that the result goes in the favor of the motion, so the bill is passed. And I ask now for your permission to adjourn the session for the next session.
May I take it that the Assembly decides to adopt Agenda 2030? It is so decided. Majority of heads and governments reaffirm their commitments on achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. We need to achieve the SDGs, as I see these as the two sides of the same coin. The General Assembly has thus concluded the stage of this consideration of Agenda 2030. The Assembly has set up four main committees, namely the Disarmament and International Security Committee, the Economic and Financial Committee, the Social Humanitarian and Cultural Committee, the Spatial Political and Decolonization Committee. Now I request Head of the Committee, Mrs. Catherine Colonna, to come here and receive the report from the Secretariat. submit the report and bring us the result before the next session. We stand firm in our determination to implement the 2030 Agenda as a plan of action for people, prosperity, peace and partnership. A plan to free humanity from the tyranny of poverty and heal and secure our planet for future generations. Together we strive hand in hand to make our world a better land. The meeting is adjourned.
Good afternoon, all the delegates, Madam President and Honorable Secretary General Sir. Thank you all for this warm mock parliament, and also thanks to Bansi Jha Sir, Pakida Ma'am, Wasi Sir and especially Monica Ma'am for supporting us, cooperating us and encouraging us. Now at the moment of closing this ceremony, at its height, we have our pathfinder and torchbearer at this school. Our Honorable Principal Sir, under the guidance of him, this can only make its beauty. So, please Sir, come on the podium and bless us, motivate us and help us in every path of our life. Thank you again, all Sir, please.
How are you, student? Although we have already organized so many activities in the year, whole year, and every month one or more activities also be there. But few activities by, especially it's for me only. So last year also I have organized in our school that was the, Indian Mock Parliament. Indian Mock Parliament. And it was excellent one. And in this year, I have already announced in our annual planner that we have to organize UN Assembly. And in fact, when I have just wrote in yearly planner, at that time I was thinking how it will be. But I am very much thankful to all the students who was here, and they have done excellent role. Again I am saying excellent role, and really you are the role model not only in our IPS but in our whole nation. So you have to give the big applause to you. Really, yes, I have seen yes, US, UK, yes, I think Rishi Shuthana is also be there. हालांकि ये UK को नहीं किया था represent, but इसका जब देखा on the यहाँ पे तो हमको याद आ गया, he is as like the Rishi Shuthana. Okay, what's your name? Yes, Utkarsh. Really, Arab. In fact, because I don't know about, but she has done excellent in excellent action. So just you have to also take that. And you, yes, here one student yes is here from standard 8. Yes, I know about, and she has done excellent from the yes Arjun. Yes, right? Yes, Argentina. I think. So, 8th class student. However, yes, sit down. Yes, I have announced that this activity is only for outgoing student, means for class 10. However, they have always learned, and they will go in the higher education, and in that education, higher education and institution, they will do better and better. And I hope they will do better. And other student from Brazil, who was Brazil? Okay. And one you, Belgium, sorry, Belgium. Excellent, excellent. US, I think, US, stand up. She has done also. But all the students have done, but few names in my mind, so I am just announcing. Otherwise, all the students, each and every student. And you in which, yes, Asian or? You are North America. Excellent, excellent. His professor is there. I have just seen he is not in fact in India. He is really from the North America. So excellent, excellent. And I know it is not organized easily. So all the teachers, especially Meher sir, Bansi sir, Pakija ma'am, and monitored by the Monica ma'am. Excellent, excellent. And I hope all other students who are in the audience, they have also much more potential. But we don't organize 195 nation here, otherwise you will involve in all these things. And you have. So you just also give a big applause for yourself, audience. The theme and the agenda of the UN Assembly was also excellent. And I would like to say about Yavat Bhumandale Dhatshe, Yavat Bhumandale Dhatshe, Sasailavan Ananam, Tavatishthati Medinyam, Santati Putra. It means whenever in our earth